Mesenchymal stem cells, also known as mesenchymal stromal cell, or simply known as MSCs, are multipotent stem cells with the potential to differentiate into a wide range of cells, such as bone, heart, nerve, fat, and cartilage. MSCs can be found in almost any parts of the body, including bone marrow, fat tissue, tooth pulp, skin, and umbilical cord. MSCs derived from umbilical cord are considered one of the most primitive cells compared to other sources. It is found abundantly in the Wharton's jelly of the umbilical cord. There are 5 unique properties of MSCs. 1. It is less likely to be rejected and exhibit immunomodulatory properties following stem cell infusion. 2. It promotes cell survival and wound healing, which means it helps to balance up one's immunity through paracrine. 3. It promotes the formation of new blood vessel, also known as angiogenesis. 4. It possesses homing effect where it is attracted to site of injuries and assists in repairing. 5. It can turn into many different cell types depending on its environment. There are numerous ongoing clinical studies to investigate the role of MSCs in a wide variety of conditions, including osteoarthritis, diabetes, heart disease, Parkinson's, multiple sclerosis, autoimmune diseases, and spinal, brain, and cartilage injuries. Today, there are several countries that have approved MSC-based therapies for treatment of various diseases. Clinical studies are also being carried out using MSCs on lung inflammation diseases such as ARDS, COVID-19, and others. According to a recent study, it was found that MSCs administered into COVID-19 patients showed a reduction in lung inflammation and significant improvement in their respiratory systems. However, these studies are still undergoing further evaluations.